dream about a day when my community will have access to closer clinics. I want to be a doctor.
Zambia is home to about 19.7 million people, and more than half of these are children. The unfortunate part of this is that 70% of them live in multidimensional poverty. Some are hungry, out of school, and are unsafe in their own homes. The question is, how are we going to change this situation, threatening our children now and in the future?
Save the Children Zambia is responding with urgency. Our 2025 to 2027 country strategy is a bold commitment to protect and empower every last child.
I love school, but some of my friends stay home because schools are very far. Classes are overcrowded. They are hungry, and others do not have books or uniforms. I want every child to learn, no matter where they live.
Education opens doors and opportunities for the many Zambian children. The free education program is a big step forward.
We are working towards making education safe, inclusive, and high quality for every child by increasing parental and community engagement for reading, advancing education technology, strengthening systems and partnerships for disability inclusion, removing barriers that keep girls out of school, and promoting safe schools where children can participate and thrive.
Our 2025-2027 country strategic plan calls for more investments in the education sector and resource mobilization.
Ngati mvula sinaloke bwino, mbewu sizimamera bwino. Ndipo timavutika kudyesera ana. So tipempha thandizo kuti vana akazidya ndiponso akazikhala ku maskulu nthawi na nthawi.
Climate shocks are hitting families in Zambia, and about 70% of the children are living in multidimensional poverty. When crops fail, hunger follows, and then we see school absenteeism. We must act now to build climate resilience and to protect the future of our children.
Our 2025 to 2027 country strategic plan aims to reduce multidimensional child poverty and increase climate resilience. We are doing this through promoting child-sensitive social protection, where we're integrating cash plus parenting care, and also promoting accountability and transparency that will ensure service delivery in areas of social protection. In terms of climate resilience, we are focused much in terms of climate change and health, climate change and education, and ensure that we build their livelihood options so that they're able to withstand climatic shocks and able to ensure that their children learn, survive, and be protected.
Violence against children in these countries are pervasive. Half of all children in Zambia experience some form of violence in their childhood. Despite this being the case, violence happens in the homes, which ordinarily are supposed to be safe havens for children. Therefore, in this strategic period, we are going to focus on programs that ensures that households are safe by promoting positive parenting programs, ensuring that we work with government to strengthen systems, as well as also ensuring that government is held accountable to its commitments on addressing violence against children. But also more importantly is to work with children to be able to ensure that they also have the capacity to be able to navigate protection risks that they are faced with, so that if they are abused, they are able to know where to report, but also being able also to easily identify violence themselves.
Zambia continues to face challenges related to trafficking in persons, with children increasingly being exploited for forced labor, domestic servitude, and sexual exploitation, among others. Unsafe and irregular migration trends also increase the risks and vulnerability for children, particularly in high-risk border and transit areas. During this strategic period, Save the Children will continue to support coordination, improved human capacity, and system strengthening to enhance the prevention of trafficking in persons, as well as improve protection, prosecution, and partnership among key stakeholders.
Children's voices remain low in governance, and inadequate investment in child-focused services continues to hold back progress. This strategy will mobilize resources to change this narrative.
Save the Children 2025-2027 strategy is driving increased accountability for children's rights and well-being. We are supporting and promoting child-focused government accountability, reporting, and monitoring. We are also tracking child rights commitment made by government and other stakeholders. We are also convening and strengthening capacities of civil society networks to promote child rights accountability. And over and above that, we are also working with child rights groups to promote child participation across the program and promote child rights in business settings.
Save the Children's commitment to convening, supporting and strengthening coordination among local CSOs has greatly benefited the children of Zambia. We encourage that the new strategy places an even stronger emphasis on localization and capacity, strengthening for civil society organizations, because these are key elements that you need in order to sustain, what has been happening. And therefore, we see this as a welcome development, and we look forward to continued partnership to ensure the successful implementation of this strategy.
From the 2024 Zambia Demographic and the Zambia Demographic Health Survey, we have noted that the rates of stunting among children under the age of 5 years remains high at 32%. Neonatal mortality remains high at 17 deaths per 1,000 live births. And we've also noted that teenage pregnancy remains high at 28%. We must do better. From our 2025 to 2027 country strategy plan, we will support the efforts of the government of the Republic of Zambia to improve health and nutrition outcomes for children and adolescents in Zambia.
We are driven by innovation and evidence-based solutions. Our 2025-2027 strategy prioritizes government-led solutions and strengthens local partnerships. At the core of our work is child participation, because we believe that children's voices shape the future. Our programs are gender-sensitive, climate-smart, and agenda-inclusive. With bold advocacy and investment in evidence-based solutions, we will deliver impact for Zambia's children.
This strategy is both important and timely, a valuable tool that deserves full support and effective implementation. It is encouraging to see that over the next 3 years, Save the Children will focus on reinforcing and complementing government efforts, including the implementation of the Children's Code Act, advancing education, reducing poverty, strengthening child protection, and supporting systems that enhance government efficiency.
Together, we will act across 5 key areas: health and nutrition, education, child poverty and climate resilience, child protection, and child rights governance to build a brighter future for Zambia's children.
Save the children.
For every last child.